Bring a new level of multifunctionality to your kitchen with the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Microwave Air Fryer Oven. The Cuisinart 3-in-1 Microwave Air Fryer Oven has a custom-engineered heater and fan designed for precision cooking. This versatile 0.6 cubic feet unit allows you to microwave, air fry, and convection bake with functions and presets that take the guesswork out of cooking. With 1,500 watts of power, the air frying function uses significantly less oil to bring optimal nutrition and superior flavor to your favorite foods. The presets are programmed for time, temperature, and fresh or frozen foods. Use the basket to air fry up to 2 pounds of chicken wings using the wing preset button. Then air fry some side dishes using the fry or snacks presets. This 700-watt microwave is programmed to cook a variety of foods by using professionally recommended power levels and cooking times. Use the control panel presets to microwave popcorn, potato, veggie, beverage, melt or soften, and reheat. Choose from 11 power levels or use the microwave preset functions to create delicious dishes. Defrost frozen foods by time or weight for when you are in a hurry and need a quick weeknight dinner. Use the stage cooking function to automatically shift between cooking methods in a sequence you select for dishes that require more than one setting. Combi Cooking offers you the option to use microwave energy along with the oven or air fry feature. Cook with speed and accuracy while browning and crisping to perfection. To customize your cooking needs, use the selector dial to manually program your desired temperature or power level and time. This multifunction appliance is equipped with sleek touchpad controls and a stainless steel interior that does not absorb odors and is easy to clean. Simply wipe down the interior and exterior of the unit with a damp cloth after use. Air fry, roast, bake, and reheat with the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Air Fryer Microwave Oven.